welcome to another trading video from Candlelight Trading. Today is Monday, December 3rd. I can't believe we're into December already and 2018 is almost over. I wanted to show you a video of a couple of trades that we took this morning in the trade room. It was a pretty choppy day really, but we ended up doing pretty well in the room. I did fast forward this video at certain places just to keep the video brief. So enjoy the video. Please take a couple of minutes to read the disclaimer first. And I have been working very hard in the background on some new surprises that I hope to be having coming out by January for the first of the year. So keep an eye open for that. But for now, enjoy the video. All right, thanks. Otherwise, this looks like it is going to try to break back into trend. MACD is about to cross over 38.25, puts it back into trend. If that triggers, let me see if I can get in there. All right, I am going to sell here, and let's see if NASDAQ will keep going. First target automatically defaults here to 35.75. I'm fine with that. I just have these kind of set up on an automatic, profit-taking, oopsie. And then the second one is way down here. I don't really have any kind of level there, so I'm going to just move that out of the way and see how far this will go. Trail this kind of bar by bar. So stop now is 38, it should be 38.50 by the bar, but I'm 2 ticks above it, so 38.75. And out. See what I can get here. Okay. All right, so let's see if let's see how far NASDAQ is going to keep going here. So I am long at 55.75. And I think certainly value area low is a good place. So my first target puts me at this little low volume node at 59.50, so I'm fine with that too. All right, I don't want this to retrace much further, so I'm not going to give it a whole lot more room. Pretty soon I'm going to move this stop up. The bar stop is 52.25. I'll go to that right now. Let's see if we can take out these highs and keep going. And I like where this, and there's no way I knew where this trigger, where this target would hit, but it happens to hit at these highs and at that low volume node. So I'm not going to adjust it. I like it. It's fine right where it is. Let's see if we can get there. The second target is kind of way up here, but I'm going to see how it responds as we get to value area low. If we can't push above value area low, then I'll tighten up more and take it off. Bar stop now would be 54.50. I'll move to a little bit below that wick, so I'll put my stop at 54. I don't want to be too tight. Let's see if we can get the first target here. And now it failed me. Yeah, I'm going to get this other target kind of out of the way in case we just fly through that. At least NASDAQ's given us some decent moves today. All right, right there at developing value area high, I am going to snug up even tighter than the bar actually. So I put my stop at 60.25, and I'm going to watch. I've got a potential little trap there, 110 buyers and 8 right at the top. So that's always a little suspect. And I'm out, and that's fine. Let's see here. Do I have a little fib retracement here, a little fib within a fib? I believe I do. There's a nice little single bar long in NASDAQ. And I can grab the retrace. So I'm going to take that long in NASDAQ. First target is going to be the bar, so 70.62 at this point. Stop is going to be at 57. Let me move this out of the way. So first target on this would take me up to 70.73.25, which retest these highs in here. I think that's conceivable. And the second one all the way up here is 70.90. I don't know, that's above VWAP. I'm just going to kind of trail this as it goes. So I'm going to move my stop up now to below that little wick. So I'm in a no lose situation here. And I'm out. All right, single bar long here on the NASDAQ. We're retracing down in the bar. Let me see. All right, there's a little bit of buying stuff in. I'm going to buy NASDAQ here, just going for the single bar long. So my first target is going to be 65.75. Let's see if I can get that. And stop is going to be at 60.75. And then we'll see, you know, if this is going to continue on and push up through that fib target up to the second target. I'll see. Well, let me at least get the first target off, and then we'll see from there. To go to break even. All right, there we are. Go to break even, and we'll see. We'll see if this is going to go and push through this fib target, push through the first fib target, and move up toward VWAP. I'll move the second one arbitrarily up toward VWAP, and we'll see. MACD's not really in agreement. We may just come back up, retest this upper band, and that might be the end of it. So I'm going to trail this bar by bar, kind of tight, and let's see what it'll do. I'm not trusting it. So 64.50 is my stop at this point. Almost looks like it wants to make a little lower high here. High point of control in that bar, I'll tell you. Stop is going to go to 65.50. Now 66.25. All right, the first fib target, remember, was 73.25, and it's right back up there again. I'm going to move my stop up again now to 68. It's at 68 even. I'll give it 2 ticks below the bar stop. And we'll see if we push through this fib, this first fib target, these prior highs, and then get up toward the second fib target and up toward VWAP. All right, right back up at that fib target. I'm going to move my stop up to 69. I'm going to tighten up a little bit, but not too tight here. I'm going to put my stop at 70.25. This could get a pullback a little bit on us, so. You could also trail by like the mid band here. All right, I've got a 5-minute point of control at 70.71. For now, I'm going to leave my stop kind of where it is. Actually, you know what? Now I'm going to go just a little bit below that first fib target at 70.73. And then, like I said, there's a decent chance we get up toward VWAP and potentially up toward developing point of control. So, you know, I'm going to move this target kind of up toward the second fib target at 70.90, and I'll see what it does here. But VWAP would be a great place for this to retrace to, and that would put us right in a fib level. So I think VWAP is conceivable on this retracement. You got to break these highs. You first got to break this resistance of 78.75. There it goes. All right, I can now move my stop up to, I'll go up to about 76.25. 77 now. Again, I don't want to be too tight, you know, but I've got decent profit on this, so I also don't want to give it all back. I got VWAP sitting at 86.25. All right, I'm going to move my stop up a little bit more now to 78.25. That's fine. So my stop right now is at 78.25. And I've got that, remember that second fib target sitting at 70.90. So, all right, we're up toward VWAP. Time to tighten up stop a little more. I will go to 81.75, bar by bar at this point. If I see a bunch of selling, I got 127 sellers sitting here, but that doesn't look all that strong. So we'll see if it's going to even push up through a VWAP. And like I said, the second fib target is 70.90. And then I've got developing point of control up at 92. So all right, it's just about to I'm going to move my stop up to 84. Stop is going to be now just a little bit below VWAP. I'll go to 85.50. Now let's see, I have a 5-minute point of control at 85. I can even go a little bit below that, but. All right, so there's the second fib target. It has been hit. I'm watching, interestingly enough, the last two bars, this was a green bar with negative delta, and this green bar is having negative delta. But I'm not really seeing any aggressive selling step in. But I'm gonna actually move stop up a little more, though, just because of all that negative delta. And we're pushing higher. There's point of control. I'll get even tighter now, because point of control is definitely a decent place for it to retrace. And I moved my target way out of the way. We'll see. I could take it off at point of control. Like I said, that's a logical place for selling to happen. And I'll probably get stopped out. And there we are, out. Range bar strategy plus fib. Nice. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed the video. And if you did like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. And also be sure to subscribe to my channel on YouTube so that you'll get all my latest videos. I would also appreciate it if you would share it to help me get the word out about the trading room. And if you'd like to learn more about the strategies I use to take these trades, please check out www.candlelightTrading.com. Have a great day, and I hope to see you in the room soon.